Good morning, friends. We are ready for lesson 71 of Sunday. Here we go. Let's read our sounds. Th, I, e, sh, a, oi, qua, j, ow, a, o, I, e, I, u, ch, k, r, a, oi, all, ah, o, oo, or, wa, ch, ear, a, I, oo, e, ow, All right, and we're going to spell our sounds. So the first sound I want you to write down. You can either use a regular piece of paper or a whiteboard. And if you need to go grab that right now, you can do that. And don't forget that you can always pause the video and restart it if I am going too quickly. All right, the first one that we're going to write down is ooh, as in, or actually, as in book. Let's think about it. It would be oh. Very good. All right, ah before an N or an L. Like drawn. Or crawl. That's an A-W. All right, cha at the end of the word after a short vowel, as in which. Cha. That would be T-C-H. And then j at the end of the word after a short vowel, as in judge. That short U, and then you've got j. So D-G-E. Good job. Give yourself a round of applause. All right, let's read our words. Gone, come, for, your, to, against, there, they, could, some, says, want, again, any, goes, been, have, busy, does, where, done, give, to, should, would, both, very, many, by, sure, always, live, and circus, scarlet, mortal, parcel, export, cargo, cancer, harvest, extort, parsnip, torso, carpet, lobster, distort, sordid, perfect, harness, morbid, girder, perfume, perspire, escort, offer, amber, latter, copper, darling, orbit, infirm, garlic. We're going to review these words. Discounts, forthright, beneath, newsreel, shirt tail, voucher, nightlight, whirlwind, newborn, defeat, sprout, girlhood. Compress the trash and take it out. Transplant the parsnips to the new garden. I implore you to look out. Did the athlete complain of a sore hamstring? And we're going to spell our words. All right, the first one I want you to spell is catcher. Like I was playing catcher in baseball. Let's say it. Catcher. K-E-Ch-Er. Catcher. Okay, so that's C-A-T-C-H-E-R. Catcher. The next one has a soft C. The word is slice. Say it. Slice. Let's spell it. S-L-I-C-E. Slice. All right, we've got a 3-letter blend. The word is spray. Say it. Spray. Let's spell it. S-P-R-A. Spray. We've got a sight word, busy. Say it, busy. Go ahead and write it. All right, and then we have some vowel pairs. Okay, vowel pairs.